Good morning, friends, and I hope you had a good trading session yesterday. These were our trades. Yesterday, we did a lot of good, profitable trades. Let me just take you through some of them. We had MGL call from 19, it went to 22, ITC. Godrej put from 17 went to 25. At the opening itself, we took we missed a little time because I was tied up, and but then, however, we took 111, and this went high of 200, if I'm right. Was that we also took a CE side in Bank Nifty, and from 23 400 call also we took. However, we were bearish on the lines from 14, I think 13, it went to 20, if I'm right. And IGL we traded, Manappuram we traded, a lot of stocks we looked at, and Muthoot also we 1960 from 21 hit 35. Uh, so a very good profitable day. We did on Hero Zero trade. Let me just show you. Hero Zero 23 550 put from 8, it went to 25 plus, and some of our you know. So today we are looking at a couple of these stocks. We're looking at Vedant, IndusInd Bank. We are looking at BHEL, the Gujarat Gas, IndusInd, Godrej Hospital, TCS, Naukri, and others. So let's see what is the stocks. What is that? Looks in Bank Nifty. If you see the structure here, very simple. Now it is moving up. There is a pattern which shows that price will move down unless the other time frame there is a different pattern which I am not too sure, or if there is a breakout. Until there is a breakout here, there is a big nice a good possibility that price can move down. Also, if you see, it has formed a kind of a M pattern here, or forming an M pattern here. So if price, so today if price sustains this level, okay, if price moves like this, then I will go long. Otherwise, I'm thinking of if it continues like this, then I will look to go short. Especially here, I think I will go to good short. And if price, let me, if price moves below 50,000, sorry, 50,000, 50,940 or 900, then I think I'm going to look at, I'm expecting 50,200 to 49, and below that, if it sustains, maybe we look at 49 400 also. Below 50,940, we may see 50,500, and if below that 49 800 levels. So I'm not looking at positional trades. I'm looking at intraday, and mostly, I would looking at the algorithms. I will look at whether I want to go long or short on the intraday. This is Bharti Airtel. If you see Bharti Airtel, has been trading in this range. It moves comes down. So where if you are able to trade within this range, you can take another short here, and then you can trail a stop loss. You can, if it moves up again, then you can again short. But mostly we would get good profitable trade setups on the short side. So this is how the market has been positioned itself. HDFC Bank, if you notice, has been forming a for kind of a cup here. We'll have to see whether it forms a cup and then moves up, or maybe in a different time frame, it might be forming a different. This is my perspective. It is not the market perspective. Market has a lot of other plans. I'm trying to decode what is happening here. So please do your own research. I'm not a SEBI registered analyst, and I can never claim I'm an expert in the market. Market is the king and the expert. If you see here, this looks also like a inverted flag. So if price is moving down, then we never know what can happen. So I'm just giving a brief on what is happening in the stocks front. This is Infosys. If you see a very nice up move, you see here, this is another flag, correct? So there is huge potential for Infosys to move up. So above 1900, big move possibility up to 2200 also. So I think I will look for a long here, maybe huge quantity today or maybe tomorrow, and I'm sure of getting good profit here. Let's look at Reliance. Reliance, if you notice, this is a pattern. It's uptrend, but moving very slowly. Again, here today, if you see here, it moves. This is the pattern. It may, unless this is, if unless this is sustained, then maybe you can see this. So please do your own research. SBI, I have another observation. This fake out and then a fall. So it's been consolidating here. There's a possibility that it may be stuck in this range for some time and then maybe start moving up. So that's a view for, and then for Tata Motors, there's a possibility that it can, sorry, it's getting squeezed over here. So we will have to watch. Chances that it can start moving up again. Tata Power, if you see, has been trading in this particular range. So you know what to do, or rather, I can say you know how it is moving and what can be done. In fact, it has been on an uptrend and now been consolidating here. So during consolidation phase, you can sell here, you can buy here, you can buy here, you can sell here. This is what you can keep doing. How long it will take is something which you need to analyze, keep seeing and changing. Market is always changing, right? Market is not going to be always giving you profit. It wants to take away also profit from you and give it to somebody else. Let's look at TCS. TCS also has made a good breakout, a very, very strong breakout if you see here, but price may once come inside. So this is my view. I could be completely wrong. Uh, there are other stocks people were asking me trend. Uh, it's another stock I think has been very strongly moving up. People who have bought. See, there are strategies where we could have identified and bought here, or maybe even if we missed, bought here, or maybe bought here also. Correct. This post-mortem we can definitely do, but definitely there are strategies where we can buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, provided your conviction, your follow through of the strategy is important. Okay. uh, let's see. What are the stocks I'm looking at? I have already mentioned. We'll also look at some of the other Nifty 50 stocks. Let's see. Nifty 50, yes. So Adani Port has been going down. Adani Enterprise, actually, I remember it's been strongly been going up. ONGC is a good stock you can buy and hold. And DPC, there is a pattern if you see here, which is looks like forming, but yes, good to buy, and uh, it's been trading like this. So, and then Coal India, then we have BPCL. Most of stocks are at the highs, so trading buying is good, but not on huge quantities. The risk to the reward is very alarming. It's going to be very risky. All right. LNT, I remember seeing a pattern here. So LNT and Titan are no, still a good bet at this point in time. Let's look at Titan because I don't want to take away a long time. You see here, this uh, looks like a different. See, but then let me tell you, charts are not the only way to analyze. There are other tools which of course, they are all paid tools. You need to. So if you see here, this has been moving in this range. So please analyze and then trade accordingly. Dr. Reddy's is also being upside. So thanks, friends, for joining in. Uh, Today, as I mentioned, Bank Nifty, I shared my views, and uh, Nifty also. Okay, let's look at Nifty. Nifty has made a higher high. Here again, if you see Nifty also, it's been forming a pattern like this. So possibilities that I expect the market to open a bit of gap down. We will have to see if how the pattern will form, and then we will probably trade accordingly. So thanks all, and God bless you all. Take care, trade safe, take care of your health, which is the biggest wealth.